guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day today. As you can tell from the window, the weather here is crazy yet again. Gray skies for weeks now. It is raining, the bridge is flooded, all of that good fun stuff of living in the country. The dog is also in here. She is in the middle of eating and crying. Daddy should be getting off work soon, so she knows. Anyway, today I want to go ahead and unbox my Boxy Premium. Now, I did this video yesterday, and upon putting it on the computer, it didn't read and was deleted off the camera, so here we are doing it again. So everything in here I have tried, I believe, and want to go ahead and show y'all what I got. So the premium is in the blue box. This is a $35 a month box. It is a different tier from Boxycharm. The theme for this month is Adore, which is love, which is great for the month of February. And inside are our products. So let's go ahead and go through here and just go ahead and show y'all what I got. My first impressions on it, because I have done that now. So I got variation 23. There'll be a little heart with a number down here that tells you which variation you got. And inside will give you a rundown of your products and how much they retail for. So the first thing I got was the Sutra Beauty Hot Iron. It is a metal baby blue color is what mine came in. It does have the settings for how hot you want it and a little on and off switch. It has the little swivel cord, and I'm going to go ahead and do a small curl, and we're just going to rock that out through this video, because I have used it to straighten my hair, but I have yet to use it to try to curl it. So it did do the curl. I figure with the rounded edges, this would be easier to use for curling. And there you go. So it does work. It did leave a little curl. So yeah, that I'm happy to have one. It's metal. It is a little bit wider this way than my Amica was. Forgot to turn my phone silent. It's a little bit wider this way, but it does sit in my shoe pretty much the same way that the Amica did. It's just a little bit taller. The cord is longer than my other straightener's cord was, so that's a plus for me. And it made a cute little ringlet, so yeah, I will definitely be trying that out. And that retailed for $79.99. So I would never pay $80 for a straightener, but to get one in a box for 35 bucks, I'm all about it. So the next thing was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This retails for $28, and I've wanted to try this, but $28 in my brain pays for a $25 Boxycharm. So I just hadn't bit the bullet. So now I'm super excited that I have it in a box. I get to try it. I have tried it. It is a very, very nice, fine mist. It smells amazing. And I will be keeping mine in the refrigerator. I want it cold. I think that's going to be even better than what it is just like this. And this is pretty amazing. The next thing we have is from Hourglass. This is the Ambient Lighting Blush. This is a $40 value. The container is the little mirror print. You can see my fingerprints on it. Not my favorite, but it happens. The color we got was Diffused Heat. And it's a very pretty blush. It is what I'm wearing today. And it's just a nice pink wash of color. They do say with the ambient blush that no two are alike by the way that they, I'm guessing, press them or mix them. Not real sure. I just know that none of them are like the next one. So that's pretty cool to me. Then we got the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This is $30. This is what it looks like. Now, I had already had this item. I've tried it before. It's not one of my favorite, but it's not horrible. It is very hydrating. It is what I'm wearing today under my makeup as a primer. And it still looks good. It's very, my skin looks nice and healthy. So, it's a nice primer. It's just not one I would run out and buy again. And you don't have to because you get quite a bit in here. This is 30 milliliter. So a little over 1 ounce of product, just like a foundation. You're going to have it for a minute. The only thing with this is it does have coconut in it. It does smell like coconut. So if you're allergic to coconut or that smell bothers you, that is, again, not a primer I would run out and get. But as you can see, it's very illuminating. Well, not the big glow illuminating, but it's a healthy glow. And it smells great. I love it. I love the smell of it. It smells like the beach to me, so I really do like it. The next thing we got was by Carez. This is a body butter, and I got mine in Mediterranean Vanilla Blossom. I'm not real big on vanilla. I was hoping for the coconut, but Samantha likes vanilla, so I guess all in all it worked out. This retails for $32. This is what I would call a body butter. I know that a lot of companies say it's a body butter, but a body butter is twice as thick as lotion, and when you put it on, you're gonna get that little white haze until you rub it all the way in. That's how you can tell that it's a really nice, good body butter, is it will leave a little bit of white cast over your skin so that you can rub it in where it's really absorbed. So yeah, I like it. It's not an overwhelming vanilla smell, which means that I will actually use it. So it's not a total loss or waste. And I don't know if I said that, retail for $32. And the last thing in here is something of controversy that's going around. If you watched my Boxycharm base box unboxing, you do know what I'm talking about with the bashing of Boxycharm and YouTubers making very unnecessary videos, YouTubers and other beauty subscriptions putting nasty DMs out to the world about business. When 3 months ago everything was great and now everything's in an uproar. You shouldn't air your laundry out for public when you are a influencer on YouTube. And I know I'm just this little bitty channel. I'm grateful for the subscribers that I have. I'm grateful for the people that come and watch my videos. Very beyond grateful for that. But somebody who is up there should not be broadcasting her business that she was connected to and no longer now, and that business should not be putting themselves out there either. None of us need to know that drama. If somebody did somebody wrong or the business aspect broke, move on and call it a day. Nobody needs to broadcast all of that out there. Either way, this is the item that is up for controversy, conspiracy. Is it a fake? Is it a dupe? Where did it come from? Who made it? How long's it been out? Blah, 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 blah. People are losing their minds, and Boxycharm is saying that this is a $100 value of a product. This is the Fascia Skincare 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. It is for your face. It's a pretty jar. It's glass. It is an uneven setting jar. I think it's cute. When it's empty, I will definitely be keeping earrings and such in here. But I used this last night on my face. I used it this morning on my face. And I still have a face. Nothing fell off. I don't care that it's $100. I would never buy this again. It is goopy. It is gelatinous. But it feels nice. And I'm 41 years old. Anything that's going to help with my lines and wrinkles, you can bet I'm going to try it out. So I'm going to do this for 30 days. And in 30 days, I'm going to come back and give you my thoughts on it. Now, I'm not telling you to put it on your face. It's your face. You decide what you want to put on your face. But the ingredients in here are good. The ingredients is what I care about. Who made it? Where it came from? How much it retails for? I don't care about any of that. I care, does it work? This was sent to me in a subscription box that I signed up for myself every month to try new products that I never would. Here's a new product that I would never try had I not gotten it in a box. And that's what I'm talking about. Stop bashing Boxy. If you don't like it, cancel. It's that simple. Leave it alone for the people that actually like it. My mother got her first box this month, and she's absolutely in love. She doesn't know why she spent all those months with Ipsy, but that's another story. You get to pick who you want to spend your money on. You get to pick whether you like it or not. And if you don't, move on. Stop creating drama where there doesn't need to be any. It's supposed to be fun. The retail value for my box this month was $309.99. It's $209.99 if we took this $100 value off. $209 for a $35 box. Anytime, any day, yes please. Sign me up twice. $300 with this. I didn't price it. Nobody asked me how much to charge. They can charge what they want. Does it work? That's the question. Does this product work? We're going to find out. I will let you know that on my eyes today, I am wearing the iconic London Boxycharm China palette. And it came out beautiful. It is very easy to work with. It was a very nice, pretty, girly look today. It wasn't hard. It took less than 10 minutes. And I could leave the house like this and be perfectly comfortable. So, have you played with your China palette? And what do you think about it? Is it good? Do you like it? Are you going to throw it away? Did you throw it away? Or are you on the bandwagon of Fashion Boxy? Tell me, I want to know. I'm nosy and I love hearing about it. I'm not a drama channel. I won't be a drama channel. But when the drama into my community, yeah, I'm going to speak my mind on it. And on my lips, I am wearing the Jeffree Star Pussy Whipped. It was a pretty color. I thought it went great with the orange, the light orange and pink in my eye look. So, that's what I'm wearing. That was my Boxycharm Premium $35 box for February 2020. Please do, as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.